You wanna hold it?
Come over here.
Okay, you have to be very gentle.
Come over here. Over here. On this side. Right here.
These are my boys
Okay.
having fun on a Saturday night while Mommy works in her classroom.
Ready? Come here.
Okay, really gentle.
Gentle. Right there. No, like.
Hold it real softly.
Real soft. On the fingertips.
There you go.
Can you do it like this on your fingertips? Like
Real
right there?
soft.
On your fingertips.
There you go.
Real softly.
Good job.
Real softly.
Ooh.
Crunch.
It's okay, James.
You're
You'll get it.
alright, baby.
You'll
You're
get
okay.
it.
You're alright.
Do you know hold your controller?
Come here. Here. Okay, come here. Real soft. Like, see your fingers like this?
Pinch.
Real
Soft.
softly. Soft. Soft. Soft.
Okay, here it goes.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Good job. Get your controller.
Where's your controller? Can you get your controller? Yeah, your controller? So it's like I want to keep throwing it for Daddy.
I think he's ready for bed, too. What? You just about hit Mama.
Wow.
Ooh. Do you like it? Can you clap?
Amazing how slow this one flies compared to the other one.
Can you clap for Daddy?
Yay.
Yay!